Excuse me, could you help me find the milk?
Of course, it's in aisle 7.
Did you understand that conversation? Today you'll learn real English you can use grocery shopping. Let's go shopping! Wow, this grocery store is so big. I need milk, eggs, bread, apples, and rice. I don't see any milk. I think I'm lost.
Hi, can I help you?
Oh yes, please. I'm looking for milk.
The dairy section is over there.
Thank you so much.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved here.
Welcome. I'm Jason.
I'm Sophia. It's nice to meet you.
What else do you need?
I need eggs.
They're right here.
This store is much easier with a friend.
I know.
I
What
also
else?
need apples.
These apples are fresh.
They look delicious.
Red or green?
Red, please. I still need rice.
Let's ask. Excuse me, could you help us find the rice? Of course, it's in aisle 7.
Thank you. Hello, did you find everything today? Yes, thank you. Your total is $28.75. I'll pay with my credit card. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome, I had fun.
Me too.
There's a great coffee shop near here. Would you like to meet tomorrow?
I'd love to.
See you tomorrow.
See? Now it's time for the listening challenge. I'll ask you a few questions about the conversation. You'll have 3 seconds to answer each question before I reveal the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. What was the first item Sophia wanted to find? Excellent. The answer is milk. Don't worry if you missed it. Let's try the next one. Question 2. Which aisle had the rice? It's aisle 7. Did you get that correctly? Now let's try the next one. Question 3. Which of the apples did Sophia got? Is it the red or the green? Great job! Sophia got the red apple. Question 4. How much was Sophia's total? Nice work. Answer is $28.75. Don't worry if you missed that. Let's try the last one. Question 5. How did Sophia pay? She paid using her credit card. Excellent job.
On today's vocabulary review, we'll learn 5 new words together. We'll explore their meanings and learn how to use them in sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Aisle. An aisle is the space or walkway between rows of shelves in a store. Example, the rice is in aisle 7. Shopping cart. A shopping cart is a large wheeled basket that you use to carry groceries while shopping. Example, she put the milk in her shopping cart. Fresh. Fresh means new, recently made, or recently picked, and good to eat. Example, these apples are fresh and delicious. Credit card. A credit card is a card you use to pay for things instead of using cash. Example, I'll pay with my credit card. Grocery store. A grocery store is a place where you buy food, drinks, and other everyday household items. Example, Sophia went to the grocery store to buy milk and bread.
Wonderful job on the listening challenge. Now it's time for our 3 seconds to repeat after me. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Let's practice together. Excuse me, could you help me? Excellent! Where can I find the milk? Great. I'll pay with my credit card. Great. It's in aisle 7. Excellent! Now it's your turn. What is the first thing you usually buy at the grocery store? Tell me in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Every time you listen and speak, your English gets a little better. Keep practicing every day. I'll see you in our next adventure.